crap, I'm in debt. How am I going to afford my bills this month? Oh man, I really needed that lottery win this week. Ninh explains, attract more money into your life. So if you guys tuned into my law of attraction video yesterday, chances are that you've heard about the law of attraction. We all like money, and we all want lots of it. This video will help you attract more money into your life. No, seriously. Whilst I can't promise that you'll be a millionaire after watching this video, it'll certainly be a step in the right direction. Number 1, change your mindset. The first thing you have to do is change how you think about money. A lot of us were brought up with negative connotations about money, such as, there's not enough money to go around, only the rich get richer, the poor just get poorer. Money can't buy happiness. Get them thoughts out of your head because it is sabotaging you forever achieving any great deal of money. And yes, money can buy you happiness. No, it can't. Yes, it can. No, it can't. Yes, it can. No, it can't. Okay, well, you keep thinking that. Be poor for the rest of your life, see if I care. Number 2, increase your income. Seems simple enough, but there are ways that you can increase your income literally starting today. Ask for a pay rise. We'll cover that more in tomorrow's video. Switch jobs, sell some of your unwanted stuff, make money on the side somehow, donate sperm. Okay, that only really applies to men, but you get the idea. Be creative because this is perfectly within your control. Number 3, stop p***ing your money away. There's no point doing any of the first 2 steps if you're just going to spend your money on unnecessary stuff. Saving $100 is the same as earning $100. So take a good look at what you spend your money on. Nobody has to smoke and drink alcohol. Nobody has to eat out every week. Nobody needs 57 pairs of shoes. You get the idea. Number 4, take advantage of free money. Free money? Where? Where? Believe it or not, all around you. There's free money to be had just from opening bank accounts, taking surveys, doing your shopping online, and even donating sperm. What is it with you and sperm today? I've no idea. The point is, the opportunities are everywhere. All you have to do is go out and take them. Number 5, believe that money will come to you. That sounds like new age rubbish to me, but seriously, if you did watch my video yesterday, you'll know that if you think about something and you believe that it's going to come true, and then you behave in a manner that would actually get it, it will most likely appear into your life. If you think you're going to come across a vast sum of money, and you feel like you're going to come across a vast sum of money, and then you try and go out and get it, chances are you probably will. Now, it might not come straight away, but law of averages dictates that the more shots you take, the more likely you're going to score. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there, and let me know how you get along in the comment section below. Saving $100 is pretty much the same as earning $100. What is it with me and sperm today? I didn't just wake up thinking about sperm. That's weird.